Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to do the uppercut push. Uppercut movement. Uppercut. Very simple. From the word you can see is I'm cutting up. By cutting up, you have to add a force to it. How to add a force to it? Your arm motion has to go big. Smaller cut, not powerful. When you want to go cut, you want everything goes up. Everything goes up. Left and right, all use your waist. Like what I introduced you for before, the basics. The arm motion is only a little bit. And mostly it's more body motion. Let's go slow motion first. Watch me. Stabilize your center. Uppercut, 45. Opposite than the front cut. Uppercut. You see? My body motion guiding the sword goes up. Elbow guiding the sword goes up. Cutting down is easier because you root it down. Going up is harder because you're almost gonna fly up. It's very hard to root your body down to stabilize your legs. That's why you gotta have to put your chi down very sturdy, stay on the floor. And then use your hands. Only use your waist and use your leg and pushing up. One, find your center first. Open, raise your elbow. Cutting up. And from the profile, I want you to pay more attention on my arm and my matching leg. Towards the forward. Uppercut. Almost like high horse stance. Cut. You see my leg. I'm using a lot of a push from the foot to knee, to the hip, to the waist, and finish the last uppercut. One, exhale. Two, exhale. Yeah. And also the arm motion has to be pretty big. Use the whole arm motion. The longer you are, the more powerful it gets, like a spear, long weapons. You want to make the sword has as long as you can to reach and boom, pa, to have that powerful uppercut. You often see the video games or the movie fighting, they're using this kind of technique by when somebody attacking, uppercut, uppercut, boom, pa, ta, boom, pa. You see that? Yeah, looks so interesting, right? Moving back and forth. So at home, if you want to do the same thing, you can practice your footwork, matching with your imagination, targeting uppercut motion. Slow motion first. Front. Side. Back. And side. And one more time. Front, front. Back, back. And side, side. You see my body motion? Using everything for the last cut. You do not want to stay straight. Woo, woo, woo. You really want to go using motion, left and right to have that powerful cutting. To developing that body motion, you got to practice and practice and practice. When you finish that cutting, you often can have that continuation movement for the pushing. Pushing is for blocking purpose because this part is pretty sharp. You're cutting out, pushing out. So cut, push. For the push broadsword, you cannot standing here just push right away. I said every single movement, you gotta treat them 100%. Waist, leg, all the way developing into the sword, end of the sword, to pushing out. To pushing out. The very first one and the second one, you hear the difference? It's because one, I'm not going back all the way. So the line for traveling is pretty short. The next one I'm holding all the way and then pushing out. You see that? Your chi, your muscle, the leg muscle, waist muscle, shoulder, developing to the elbow, to the hands, to the end of the edge of the broadsword for blocking purpose. Everything has to come out at the same time. That's why when you do 100%, it's actually very tiring. At home, Sometimes your broadswords cannot bend it. That's very common, okay? Depends on what you purchase your broadsword. It doesn't matter, but you can feel the power by pushing out. You can even hold the stick, trying to developing a different push. It's the same concept. The key is using the stances, using everything, and use the sword to the last push. Higher, push. Now we're gonna do our cloud uppercut into the push, okay? Watch me, and action. Cut, cut, push. One more time, cut, cut, push. Stances is a big key for the pushing motion. Otherwise, if your stance is not stable, your motion is gonna be losing target. You have hard time to developing the next motion. So once you're doing all those big moves, bigger moves, the key is don't lose your center. Don't fly away. So that's why horse stance training, bow stance training, all kinds of stances training is a basic must do every day. Those will show in your daily forms. Okay, let's do again. Uppercut and action. 1, 2, push. One more time. 1, 2, push. You see, horse stance, bow stance, either way. Up to you how to developing your forms. We can put everything together we've been training before and see how the form look like. All right, let's challenging ourselves. Put everything together. Wrapping head, thrusting, and clouding, push, cutting, cutting, uppercut, uppercut into the push. Okay? Ready. Action. Do you enjoy the entire little combo like I did? I cannot wait to see yours. You can put a comment below and or comment show me your moves. And broadsword and straight sword are very basic weapon skill to have. And it's very fun to learn. I hope you enjoy my videos. And look out for my next one. I'll see you next time.